Hey everyone, welcome back to Meditation Tips. In today's video, we're going to discuss some common challenges that you may face when trying to meditate, and how to overcome them. It's not always smooth sailing, but with a little perseverance and the right techniques, you can make meditation an enjoyable and beneficial part of your life. So, let's dive in and tackle these meditation challenges together. Introduction to meditation challenges. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been embraced by millions of people across the globe, seeking to find inner peace, balance, and relaxation. However, it's not uncommon for practitioners to encounter challenges along the way. In this video, we will discuss some of the most common issues people face during meditation and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Challenge 1. Maintaining focus. One of the most common challenges people face when meditating is maintaining focus. Our minds are naturally prone to wandering, and staying concentrated on the present moment can be difficult. Solution. To overcome this challenge, try incorporating a point of focus, such as your breath, a mantra, or a physical sensation. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to this focal point. With consistent practice, maintaining focus will become easier. Challenge 2. Physical discomfort. Physical discomfort can be a significant obstacle during meditation. Sitting for extended periods can lead to aches, pains, or restlessness. Solution. Ensure that you are using a comfortable posture and supportive props, such as a cushion or meditation bench. If you still experience discomfort, try experimenting with different postures, like lying down or walking meditation. Remember, the key is to find a position that allows you to remain relaxed and focused. Challenge 3. Impatience. Impatience can arise when practitioners expect immediate results from meditation or feel frustrated with their progress. Solution. It's important to approach meditation with patience and understanding. Remember that progress takes time and consistency. Instead of focusing on immediate results, appreciate the small improvements and the journey itself. Embrace the present moment, and over time, you will see your practice evolve. Challenge 4. Drowsiness. Drowsiness is another common issue, as relaxation can sometimes lead to sleepiness during meditation. Solution. To prevent drowsiness, try meditating during times when you feel most alert, such as in the morning or after a light meal. Additionally, practicing in a well-ventilated room or incorporating gentle movement, like walking meditation or yoga, can help you stay awake and alert. Challenge 5. Emotional resistance. Meditation can sometimes bring up intense emotions, making it difficult to maintain a calm and focused state of mind. Solution. When emotions arise, acknowledge them without judgment or resistance. Allow yourself to feel and experience these emotions, and then gently return your focus to your breath or chosen point of focus. With practice, you will become more comfortable with emotional fluctuations and better equipped to handle them. Meditation is a powerful practice with numerous benefits for both the mind and body. By addressing these common challenges and implementing the suggested solutions, you can enhance your meditation experience and progress in your journey towards inner peace and balance. Remember, the key to overcoming meditation challenges is persistence, patience, and self-compassion. Thank you all for tuning in to this episode of Meditation Tips. We hope you found these solutions to common meditation challenges helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any future content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, and if you have any suggestions for what you'd like us to cover next, please leave a comment below. We're always eager to address your questions and create content that you find valuable. Until next time, happy meditating, and remember, practice makes perfect.